All right, fellas, gather around because today we're talking about something near and dear to our hearts. So let's at least say our chins, our glorious beards, or sometimes our messy beards. All right, let's all be honest. Sometimes you wake up in the morning and your glorious mountain man looking beard looks less like that glorious mountain man beard and more like a bird's nest that lost a battle with the tumbleweed somehow. It looks terrible. And for too long, our tools have been failing us. We've been using clippers that sound like an old mower. They tug and grab like a toddler and leave patchy messes of what was formerly our hair, and overall it just doesn't work. What if I told you there is a way to tame the beast, to sculpt that masterpiece and achieve beard perfection with the precision of a samurai? That's right, today we're deep diving into the Hummingbird Professional Series MK10 clippers. Now this is a serious kit. This is both for hair and for beards. I personally am looking forward to using it on my beard because my current equipment is terrible and I have had some real problems with it, which I'll talk to you about it in this video. What do you say we unbox it real quick? It is just too beautiful to do that indoors. We'll unbox it here. I'll take it inside, use it for a couple weeks, show you what it's like, and I'll talk to you about that experience. All right, let's see what's inside the box here. First off, the packaging is really nice. This thing is solid. Oh, this is a major upgrade of what I've been using. Check this thing out. That thing is freaking cool looking. Oh, can you hear it? Actually, can you hear it? So quiet compared to the and of the junky little stuff that I have right now. Oh, I'm very excited about this. See what kind of parts comes with it. So I'm not going to start pulling out. Comes with a wire, and I just want to show you some of the clippers because I've always found this to be one of the shortcomings of other ones that I've gotten. All right, I'm not going to show you them all, but look at how many are here. We have everything from a number 1 all the way up to the monster number 8, 25 millimeters. That's some thick stuff, obviously for hair, not a beard, unless you grow a much better beard than me. But you have so much flexibility. All right, let's take this inside and use it while we chat. All right, I let this thing go a month to see how well this will work, and you can comment below if you want that I had not grown all that much hair in a month. But in any case, we're gonna put this thing to the test. I'm still obsessed with the fact that it has this clear section here. I just love that. I love being able to see the mechanical stuff there. The adjustability of it is ridiculous. I will say it is a very complete kit. It even comes with one of these. What is the technical term? I don't remember. First off, let's talk power. This bad boy boasts a 9,000 RPM brushless motor. What does that mean for your beard? It means no more snagging, pulling, just smooth, effortless cutting, even through the most wavy manes. It's like a hot knife through butter, but it's for hair. And the blade, oh, the blade. It's a DLC blade. That's diamond-like carbon, folks. Super sharp, super durable, and it stays cooler than your ex's cold heart. This means less irritation and a consistent, crisp cut every single time. And the fact that it's cordless and USB-C rechargeable, hallelujah. No more awkward dance moves around the bathroom sink trying to find an outlet. You can trim in the shower, in the car, on a mountaintop, wherever that bearded heart desires. Plus it's got super torque, which just adds to that feeling of unstoppable beard sculpting power. Now I did a little digging and I found the 3 most common questions guys had about this beast. So number 1 was, is it powerful enough for really thick beards? The answer is absolutely. That 9,000 RPM motor is amazing. The DLC blade is designed for cutting through thick hair. Even the most dense hair is not going to bog this thing down. Another common question I heard was, how long does the battery last? And the answer is, it lasts for a couple hours on a full charge. So for me, trimming up this stuff, we're talking weeks, maybe months before I need to recharge it. But if you really wanted to get like all hardcore on it, you could definitely get a few hours of constant running on it, no issues whatsoever. The other question is it quiet? Which we kind of addressed already, but we'll do it again just because it's a fun party trick. That's it. It is right up against the microphone. That is the only noise this thing makes. It is absolutely quiet, thanks mostly to that brushless motor. So listen, if I've answered those questions for you, I need you to do 2 things. Number 1, if you're going to get it, use the link on the screen or down below. Helps out the channel, doesn't cost you anything extra. And number 2, most important, there's a new hype feature right there on YouTube. They really want to see people use it. Smash that for us. I really appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, follow, all those things. If you have any specific questions, throw them in the comments. I'm happy to try to answer them for you. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.